Hey guys, wanted to show you installing a K&N air filter on my new 2020 Ford Ranger. You can see here, that's the air box on the left hand side of the engine bay. First thing I'm doing is unplugging that airflow sensor there. Just to get it out of the way, I just want to make sure that's not damaged at all. Then there's the 3 clips on the back side by the antifreeze reservoir there. You're going to undo those, and then you're kind of you can see me trying to figure it out there, but you're going to lift up on the back corner and then slide it out. And then that will lift up out of the way. There's plenty of clearance there. You don't have to undo that hose clamp or anything like that. Plenty of clearance to pull that factory air filter out. You can see that's brand new. I've literally only driven 500 miles there. But I've done this to all of my Ford vehicles that I've driven over the last several years. First thing I'll do is put a K&N filter in there. So it's got that plastic wrap on there. That's because it's already pre-treated with the oil that you put on there. That oil just catches extra dirt and debris, so it will feel a little bit slick. But that's that factory oil on there. I may do okay. So here you can see me just putting it in there, and it just goes in just like a regular air filter. No surprise there. Okay, and then what you'll do is when you put the cover back on, you'll work it. You'll kind of work the tabs in first. It's a little bit of wiggle that you've got to do, but you'll get those tabs in there, then it'll slide over, and then those 3 clips on the back, and you're done. Best thing is push in the middle of the clip, not towards the top, so kind of the bowed part of the clip, and they snap right on. It's a breeze. Okay. Then you're done. Oh wait, but you forgot one thing. Go ahead and connect that airflow sensor again, and then you're done. Okay, here's a view from the back side, just in case you couldn't see from that other angle. Those 3 clips, they come off really easy. You pull up when you're ready to put them back on. Again, you can do it with one hand. See there, just push in the middle of the clip, you're good. Okay, here's the filter that I used, K&N airflow filter. This cost $66, and it seems like a lot, but if you think about it, by the time you buy 4 or 5 air filters, you could have bought this one, and this is a lifetime air filter. I may make a separate video when it's time to clean and oil this thing on how to do that. There's a clean and oil kit that you can buy for a K&N filter, but those of you who have used K&N, you know they're great quality, better airflow. They're lifetime. You can literally just hose them off anytime you want. I'll usually hose mine off whenever I clean my car, or at least every 3 or 4 months, just depending on how much I'm driving. But you can visually inspect them, see how much dirt and debris is on there, hose them out, or just bang them off on the ground to get some sand or whatever's in there out of there, and then re-oil them kind of on an as-needed basis. You'll be able to tell if it needs oil or not. And then just keep using the thing. The last one I used, I had it for 5 years, no problems, and I truly believe it's a better quality filter than the paper disposable filters. And guess what? You're saving the environment. You're using less waste. Great stuff. All right, guys. See you next time.